If you are searching for a really great set of patio blinds, look no further than this set behind me. So my name is Haley, and I just want to share with you an honest review of these blinds so you can decide if they're the right ones for you. I'm going to go ahead and get the camera turned around so I can show you an up-close look of what they look like. So this is what they look like. They are 6 by 6. This is my back porch patio, and we wanted something to hang here just to give ourselves a little bit of privacy when we're on the back porch. But this is what they look like up close. They are a plastic material. They are very nice and smooth. It does give a little bit of look through the blind so it's not completely block out, but they are 6 feet long. I just have them rolled up here a little bit so they're adjustable, and you use these little clips that it comes with to hold them together. Overall, we absolutely love these. Installation was super easy. My husband just took some screws on the top, and there's little hooks up there that they just hook right onto the screws. It also comes with its own set of hooks, but we've decided to use these instead, so it's a little bit stronger here on our patio. We live in Florida, so we do get some crazy weather sometimes, but if you are looking for a really great set of patio blinds, I 10 out of 10 highly recommend these ones.